altitude on chute. We are decelerating.
Wrist mode under
our tachometer is decelerating and descending. We are at 150 meters per second.
Dynamics phase. Come back again with wrist mode dynamics.
Wrist mode is nominal.
We are 9 kilometers and descending.
Leads active. Valid range.
Net filter converged with a velocity correction of 0.7 meters a second.
We have acquired the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Heat shield has separated. We've found the ground.
Tones due to earth occultation as expected.
We're standing by to prime the Emily engines in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers descending.
Flight EDL, we've got some tweedo warnings. It is in battle mode, so it should power through.
Director of Communications at this time. We may have lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers and descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 82.8 meters per second.
Start enabled, standing by for batch shell separation.
Signaled Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at altitude of 1 kilometer descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signaled Odyssey remains
Down to 50 meters per second. 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for sky crane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal. Altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for sky crane. Down to 10 meters per second. 40 meters altitude. Sky crane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting bridle cut shortly.
Signaled Odyssey remains strong.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yeah. You do a com configure.
Review stable. Review stable.
UHF is good.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars.
Time to see where our curiosity will take us.
At this time, evaluation is complete. The descent stage is at a safe distance. We are continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity. We're safe.
From the surface of Mars. As cam sequence is kicked off, waiting for images. Heads up, folks!
EL up. Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Flight EDL images are starting to come down. We're beginning to get images. We got images coming down, folks. We do a com configure stand by for images. We have
King thumbnails coming down.
Odyssey data is still strong.
First images from Curiosity.
Odyssey data is very strong.
Odyssey is nice and high in the sky. At this time, we're standing by for images.
Should be displayed any minute now.
Thumbnails are complete. Got thumbnails. Thumbnail is complete. It's the wheel! It's the wheel! Oh, we can see a wheel image. We got wheels down on Mars. Oh my God. We'll do a proper hug on the other side.
Keep watching, guys. Keep watching the screen. There's more stuff. Any minute now. No. P56.
Okay, right. Okay. So here we are. We're going to start. Go ahead.
Okay.
So we have landed out at the time we thought we would, and we now have our first image.
We have our first image. This we've got is a 64 by 64 thumbnail. The front, a rear has-cam image. You can see the shadow there. I'm not sure exactly which our orientation is of the vehicle, but we're looking through it. Now, I think in just a few minutes we might get even a larger 250 to 256 frame pixel image of that same end. So we're looking at the shadow. See, the horizon is actually in the distance. You can't really tell that. So we're looking actually at the shadow of this late afternoon sun.
So these are the rear has
These
cams.
are the rear has-cams.
And it
so
does have a dust cover on it.
It does have a dust cover, but the cover is the problem. It's the fact there's dust in the air because we've just blown dust all over the place with our descent engines.
Fantastic. So there could be more.
There could be more. If we wait, we might get. Oh yes, This is the high res. This is the 256 by 256 image. This is the higher resolution. You're seeing dust particles on the window. You can see the horizon there in the background, and there is the wheel of the rover safely on the surface of Mars. I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. We might get another one of these, and if we're lucky, before Odyssey goes away, we'll get two more of these same inches going the other side of the vehicle, and also probably dusty. This is amazing.
So that is one of Curiosity's rover wheels
Exactly.
on the surface of Mars.
Yes. Whoa! Wow! Now we have another. There's another image coming down. This is a view looking the other direction. It's still being processed. You'll see it in just a second here. This is another thumbnail image.
Is that a shadow?
That's the shadow
Of the rover.
Curiosity rover on the surface of Mars. Thank you.
Thank you.
The Odyssey transition is about to end. It's about to set below the peak of Mount Sharp very shortly. So this is about all the data we're going to get, but things look great. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you.